This month's BR7 Baking is taking place in Sweet Sundae, and Laura here is going to tell us about some of the most delicious sweets she has in store.
Yes, as you can see here, we've put 3 of our more popular sweets, which are usually the oldest and traditional sweets. So we have the milkshakes, the bonbons and the flying saucers. We sell sweets individually in bags, but we also do wonderful sweet trees and sweet cakes.
Today we have a naked cake. A naked cake is actually a really simple sponge cake, but it has a really thin layer of icing. So for those of you like me who don't like icing, it's perfect. But one of the great perks about this is that you can decorate it with whatever you like. Oh my!